am prepared to change my world. But first, I center myself. I embrace self-productivity. I take the space I need without feeling guilty. I feel the fire inside of me growing. I take calculated actions and steps. I give myself permission to grow, to change, to grow. I give myself permission to subtract, to reduce, to deduce, to pull back as I see fit, as I feel the need to do so. I communicate clearly and effectively with others. I have clarity. I express myself through creative projects and ideas. I attract the right people with my unique personality. I attract the right opportunities with my optimistic and hopeful viewpoint. The right doors and windows open for me. I take time to think before I make decisions about relationships, partnerships, and opportunities. I focus on the task in front of me. I am not distracted by other success. Instead, I admire it. I shift my mindset to get things done. And I balance all of my doing with my being.